What's up, guys? We're now entering the time where the money is made, so we need to look at the key levels that we should be picking up some Aero. Right, guys, when you look at that, a sea of red, it has been a bloodbath to start off October. October's in the chat if you guys think October is still gonna be here. Now, you can deal with October or you can deal with this sea of red in two ways. You could either be moaning and crying and saying it's all over, doom posting all over Twitter like I'm seeing a lot of people do, or you could say, right, I need to spend some time now looking through my portfolio, looking through some coins that I haven't got enough of, and seeing how we can start to rebalance that portfolio and make sure we buy when prices are down. Whoop-de-doo, look at that, guys. We're back in fear. Okay, now I know some of you are going to be feeling fearful. I know other of you guys are going to be thinking I'm not fearful at all. But let's be real. I mean, you're seeing Bitcoin at 60k. It's not looking too good. Because while many of you may be able to stomach it, there's gonna be a lot of retail guys. Remember, like, not everyone has big brain like you. There's gonna be a lot of retail who do FOMO into pretty much every pump and they wait for green. Okay, people have been saying to me, like, they private message me and they say, oh, you know, I'm not gonna get in yet. I'm gonna wait for the green. I'm gonna wait for the green. And I'm like, okay, you can. And I'm not saying to catch a falling knife. I'm not saying, you know, buy on the first dip. But you should definitely be DCAing in to red days, okay? And I know there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now, which I don't know if YouTube will allow me to speak about it. So, you know, we're not really going to get too much into it. But you guys already know what's going on, which is causing mass fear around the world. It's horrible what it is, but when we're looking at it from a market perspective, once these things do start to die down, and hopefully they do die down, then, you know, usually the market very quickly does erase all of the panic. But while it is hard and, you know, everybody is panicking about the price and you're panicking about your portfolio, and you're seeing it down, guys, mine dumped thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds in the first day of October. Okay, I looked at my portfolio, I said, wow, is this something looking at me laughing right now saying, ha, you thought it was gonna be this easy? It's never that easy. Shout out not to only every man, but to every woman who's fixing their life right now alone, no rich relatives, no favors, no money, no parents' money, even through losses and disrespect. So when your little stupid little gremlin friends pop out of the trenches and they go, I heard crypto was down, fuck them, okay? We're here on a journey that they could never imagine, guys. And the fact that you're still here, I want to say big up to all of you guys, because you're doing your thing, and we have to remember what we are doing, even in when we like zoomed in to the short term. Now, a little bit of bullish sentiment. Look at this. Are we holding a higher low inside the channel? Very similar to one of the Bitcoin charts that we did. Remember, you should just chart everything, guys, so that you're prepared for all outcomes. But Bitcoin is showing initial signs of a successful retest with the downtrend acting as new support. I said to Reki, please not jinx it yet, Reki. Red Capital is sick, but come on, Reki. Just chill. It's been one day. But some bullish stats from Aerodrome. Slipstream daily volume reaches 500 million. That is 500 million. Yesterday, Slipstream recorded its second highest daily volume, hitting an impressive 507 million in 24 hours. The recent surge was fueled by the addition of CBTC, so Coinbase BTC, and EURC, so is that Coinbase Euro, and meme coins, as Aerodrome aims to bring it all to base. So again, like, you're getting the Slipstream actually doing its thing now, surpassing a lot of these other platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, what's the other one? There's another one. You guys let me know in the comments. And alongside that, 40 billion in cumulative volume. Aerodrome continues its ascent, reaching 40 billion in cumulative volume. Still day one. Aerodrome aims to be everything MetaDex, where protocols, traders, LPs, and voters grow the base ecosystem together. So basically, me, you, everybody who's in base, going to grow the ecosystem together. 40 billion. That is looking really, really good. So when everyone says, oh, well, it's inflationary and, oh, is it ever going to work, guys? Just know, like, they're generating fees. They're doing the most. And you guys are doing the most. Oh, but it's just an inflationary coin. I'm going to sell it because it's inflationary. You go and listen to these little retail noobs, or you can listen to some of the largest asset managers in the world. Grayscale Research announced its top 20 list featuring assets that, in our view, have high potential for Q4 based on upcoming catalysts, trending market themes, and token-specific fundamentals. Read the full report. Boop-biddy-boop. Well, you look at that at number 18. Aerodrome, financials, DeFi, ETH ecosystem, market cap 600 million, fully diluted 1.3 billion, 90-day price volatility, around 144%, guys. So, you know, I invested in certain assets and certain coins based on asset managers, based on what smart money are doing as well. So you guys need to make sure that you are doing that as well, and not just listening to these random anons on Twitter, or listening to this guy who said, oh, this Solana shitcoin is going to be the next top 10 coin. Okay, maybe it will be, probably it won't. But you can see that, look through their list, guys. Solana, massive. Ton, massive games. Link, massive games. Near, massive gains. Sui, massive gains. Tau, massive gains. STX has seen massive gains. Optimism, most likely going to see massive gains. So is Maker, right? So you go down the list and it's all just absolutely, as I like to say, certy coins. Now we're going to check some of our Aerodrome prices that we'd like to be picking it up. But look, we said that we're probably going to have some retrace to the 1 fib, because we basically at this 1618 fib at $1.34. We had a double top here, and look, it looks like we're coming back down to retest the 1 fib. Remember, on Blowfin you can trade 25x leverage on Aerodrome if you want to buy the retest. Sitting at $1.05 today. And what did I say to all of you in the last video? I said we're not buying in here, right? And if we break down and we have our little breakdown below the channel, these were our 3 levels to be accumulating more if you just hadn't had any and you had ants in your pants. Okay, now we've actually got lower levels that we probably can get if Bitcoin really wants to poop its pants under 60k. But we said $1.13 hit, $1.09 hit, $1.04 hit. Okay, now the breakdown of this pennant is going to be 96 cents. If we complete this breakdown, you know, is this a look to say Bitcoin's going to continue to dump down to 58k like we were expecting? I think we probably will, to be honest, guys. But 96 cents could be a major pickup level for Aero. So again, we don't just go all in and these blue lines. Is if we go all the way from here to the very top, guys. Where is that bringing the 1618, guys? That is bringing the 1618 all the way to the retest of the breakout. Okay, this major breakout that we were at. Is that where we're headed? I don't know. Who knows? I don't really care. If we're headed there, then look, 75 cents Aero. You lot better not complain if it does go to 75 cents Aero, because everyone wanted to buy it up here. If it goes to 96 cents, then, you know, you can pick up some more. To be honest, my Aero bags are pretty packed, right? We were buying it all in this channel, all in our green accumulation range. But for everybody who wasn't buying it, then, you know, blue level is going to be good areas to pick up. This breakdown target at 96 cents is going to be a big level to pick up. And if we do absolutely poo the bed and then we want to have a retest of this orange line, then you better pick it up there if you haven't got any already. That's it. Let me know what you guys think of Aero. What is your plan? Let me know in the comments. If you've made it this far, support the channel by smashing that like button, leaving me a comment and dropping a sub. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.